is the demonstration of how to examine the distant vision and near vision. For distant vision, we use this chart. This chart is called as Snellen chart. Okay. So the Snellen chart is constructed such a way that the size of the letter, you can see that size of the letter is not decreasing, starting from A to. There are also some numerical number 60, 36, 24, 18. Now that number indicates that normal person can read that letter from a distance of 60 meters, 60 meter. Suppose for example 60, A, 36. Normal person can read that D and F letter from the distance of 36 meter. Okay. Then 24. Normal person can read that letter from 24 meter H, Z, P. Like that way. Normally, normal person vision is 6 by 6. I will explain what is that 6 by 6. So this is a chart. So each chart, each letter is made up of such a way that the thickness of the letter form an angle of 1 minute at the nodal point. Okay. While whole letter form an angle of 5 minutes at the nodal point. So this is a normal construction of each and every letter for 60 meter to the 5 meter. Okay. And for the near vision, we will use this chart. This is called as Jaggers chart. Okay, Jaggers chart. This is again for that purpose we have to ask the person to read from below letter, that is N36 up to the N6. Normal vision is N6. Okay. Now procedure for distant vision is, so first of all we have to, if the person is having spectacle, we have to record first without glass and then with spectacle, with glass. Okay. So recording is such a way that we have to ask the person to close left eye, cover the left eye and record with right eye. Okay. Then ask the person to cover right eye and record with the left eye. And finally with the both. So for distant vision, right eye, left eye, binocular with spectacle and without spectacle. Same for the near vision also, we have to ask with the help of Jaggers chart, we have to ask to record with spectacle, without spectacle, right eye, left eye and binocular. Okay. After the distant vision, we have to do the pinhole test. Now what is that pinhole test? From cardboard, we have make open hole in the cardboard and ask the person to read that letter in the on Snellen chart. Okay. If there is an improvement of vision, that means person is having optical error. Okay. If there is no improvement, that person is having a problem in the optic nerve damage. Okay. So let us see how to record the distant vision with Snellen chart. In our lab, this is a 6 meter distance. This is the marking of 6 meter. Okay. And this is a Snellen chart. Okay. So this is a 6 meter distance. We have this Snellen chart at a distance of 6 meter. Okay. Now the Snellen chart having a different
language.
For example, in Marathi language, then in English language. Then if the person is illiterate, you can have a dotted chart. I will show that dotted chart also. So you can see that the person is having this kind of dotted chart. You can ask the person to just count the dots. Okay. Now let us start with the procedure for distant vision. Okay. Okay. Now the person is no history of spectacle, so you can directly record distant vision. Okay. Ask the person to close left eye. Down or band kara. Read the letters.
D, F, H, Z, P, T, X, U, D, Z, A.
So comfortably कोणतं वाचू शकतोस तू? Comfortably कोणती लाईन?
Third पर्यंत.
T X U D ना? Okay. So the person can read the T X U D. That is the fourth line. So that means person is having vision is 18. Okay, 6 by 18. So right eye vision is 6 by 18. Okay. Now for left eye, cover your right eye with left eye once.
A, D, F, H, Z, P, T, X, U, D, Z, A, D, F, H, P, L, P, U, H, X, U, A, Z.
So the person can read the letter, second last letter, that is a 6 by 6. Okay. Normal vision is 6 by 6. Okay. Now what is mean by 6 by 18? 6 is the distance of that subject. Okay, we are going to examine that subject from distance of 6 meter. So we ask the person to read that Snellen chart from a distance of 6 meter. Okay, so this is a 6 meter distance of the subject from that Snellen chart, and 18 meter. 18 is the normal person can read that letter from that particular distance, 18 meter. This is normal. Okay, so 6 by 18. Now we will examine with both eyes. Okay, ask the person to read that letter with both eyes open. Okay,
A B F H
second last, second last.
U A Z N F D T.
So person, that subject can read up to second last line. That is, his vision is binocular vision is 6 by 6. That is normal vision. Normal vision is 6 by 6. So suppose if the person is having binocular vision is 6 by 24. So that means person is having myopia. Why? Because normal person can read that letter from a distance of 24 meter, but our subject can read that letter from distance of 6 meter. That means person is having a myopia. Okay. Now pinhole test is nothing but if the person is having 6 by 24 vision, and we ask the person to read that letter with the help of pinhole test. You know, the cardboard having a central hole. We have to ask the person just cover the left eye and read it through this pinhole test. Okay. So if there is an improvement of vision, that means if the person vision is 6 by 24 to 6 by 9 or 6 by 6, that means there is an improvement. So that is suggestive of, if there is an improvement of vision on pinhole test, that is suggestive of there is a myopia. That means the person, the diminution of vision is because of optical errors. Okay. Now we will see for the near vision. For the near vision, we have Jaggers chart. Again, same procedure with glasses, without spectacle. Again, ask the person to close one eye, right eye, डोळा बंद कर, right eye, and खालून वर वाच.
नेत्रदान सर्वश्रेष्ठ दान.
नाही.
वाचन किंवा जवळचे कोणतेही काम.
That means his right eye vision is N10. Okay. आता थोडंसं सोडवा बंद कर.
नेत्रदान सर्वश्रेष्ठ दान. डोळ्यांना अधूनमधून विश्रांती घेण्याची सवय.
So N6 is for the both eyes.
डोळ्यांना अधूनमधून विश्रांती घेण्याची सवय.
So that means person can read from the, for the right eye only right. If the you ask the person to close left eye and ask the person with read the from right eye, the N10. N10 is the without N10 right eye, left eye N6, and both eyes N6. Normal vision with both eyes is normal is N6. That means person near vision is normal N6. Okay. So this is about the distant vision and near vision. Last one is presbyopia and astigmatism. Presbyopia is nothing but it happens because of after the age of 40 years there is a elasticity of the lens and there is a weakness of the ciliary muscles, and that's why person is unable to accommodate. That means accommodation power is lost because of ciliary muscle weakness and the lens capsule elasticity loss of elasticity of the lens capsule. Okay. Then for the purpose we use the person is unable to read the near vision. For the purpose we will use the convex lens. Okay. And astigmatism is nothing but the if the person is because of the image is not formed over the retina. The what are the rays are arising from the object, they are not fall on particular one point. Okay. There are different points from the different rays are fall on different points. Okay. Then for the purpose, the correction purpose, we use the cylindrical glasses. Okay, to correct the astigmatism. Okay. So in today's practical, we have to know that how to record the distant vision on Snellen chart, how to record the near vision with the help of Jaggers chart, and after the distant vision Snellen chart, we have to record with the help of pinhole test. If there is an improvement of vision, that means the diminution of vision is because of optical errors. Okay. Thank you.